Is the Marcus savings account any good? In today's video, I'm going to be giving a full review of the Marcus savings account as someone who has had one for a couple months now and has put over $25,000 of their own money into it. Plus, if you guys are interested in opening a Marcus account, I'm going to teach you a free way to get an extra 1% APR, provided you go ahead and watch this video till the very end. I'm also going to be explaining who the Marcus account is for, as well as if you should be opening one so you can make the best decision for you and your own financial future. With that all being said, guys, let's get right into it. First off, before we begin, what I do want to say is that if you guys are interested in the Marcus savings account, because spoiler alert, I would recommend it for a certain group of people, so make sure to watch till the end to make sure that you are part of that certain group. If you guys actually go ahead and sign up to Marcus with a referral link, you will get an extra 1% bonus APY for the next 3 months for completely free at no additional cost to you. Plus, I'll be getting 1% as well, so you'll be going ahead and supporting me and my own financial future. So if you want to help a young guy out in his financial future, you can also do that. So it's basically nothing but a positive. What I do want to say though is that I can only earn up to 5 referral bonuses each year. So I know for a fact, because I have a pretty decently sized channel, when this video goes live, people are going to start applying for the Marcus savings account, and I know that these 5 referral bonuses slots are going to fill up very quickly. So make sure to go ahead and sign up with my link in the description right now, or at least after you watch this video. First off, what is Marcus? Marcus is a new bank made by Goldman Sachs, where they offer 4.4 APY online savings account that you can deposit in and withdraw in at almost any time. The 4.4 APY is what attracted me personally to Marcus, as well as the instant ability to withdraw, but you cannot instantly withdraw once you initially set up an account, which I will show you guys in a second, but you can after a certain number of things happen. So make sure to keep watching the video so I can explain all that. On top of that, Marcus is insured by FDIC up to $500,000. This basically means that if the bank goes under, if the bank goes belly up, that means that the government will pay you back at least $500,000 of your account's value. So because I currently have $25,000 in my own Marcus account, that means that I'm guaranteed that money by the federal government if Marcus was to go under. I don't think Marcus is going to be going under. I've reviewed their financials and they look perfectly fine and 100% legitimate. Plus, they are created by Goldman Sachs, which is one of the biggest banks right now, who operate trillions and trillions of dollars. So I think it's pretty safe to say that Marcus is a good place to go ahead and create a high yield savings account. However, what I really like about Marcus is that they have a couple things. Number one, they have a really nice web app, which enables you guys to sign in anytime, and they have a very nice design. What I've noticed personally is that a lot of high yield savings accounts usually have very weird looking websites. They don't have a mobile app, anything like that. Marcus does. Marcus has their own mobile app where you can sign in and check out your money anytime on both iOS and Android. And Marcus also makes it very easy to open an account online with them. All you have to do is you have to click this open an account button or go to the description down below and just click on that. And then you can go ahead and select which account you want. However, the main appeal of Marcus is obviously their high yield savings account, but they do have a couple other products. They have some CDs as well as some credit cards. I don't think their credit cards and their CDs are like all that special. What I will say about the credit cards though is that there is no annual fee. So if you want to just open an account for no reason just to have one, then it's not a bad call because it's not going to cost you anything to do that. Plus, they do offer family MasterCards. If you want to go ahead and get your kids their own credit card, you can go ahead and co-sign them with that. You could also get your own rewards card where they offer 2% cash back, which is standard. It's not the best I've seen, but it's okay. And they also offer a business MasterCard for people who have business accounts. Also, they do offer high yield CDs, no penalty CDs, and rate bump CDs at usually a 5% annual percentage yield for a 12-month CD. What I will say about the CDs is that this is not the best percentage I've ever seen with the CD. It's not bad though, but I will say the main attraction of Marcus is the high yield savings account. So I wanted to go ahead and show off my own Marcus account just to show you guys that I actually do have an account with them and I do business, which is why I would recommend them. I would recommend Marcus to anyone who has a lot of money sitting in a hole somewhere that's just in some random bank account and they would rather do something with it rather than just basically letting it rot. Because when you let it rot, it's going to be hit against inflation. And another great thing about Marcus is that there is no annual fees. There's no annual fees, there's no monthly fees, and you can do a total of 6 withdrawals every single month for completely free. However, you do have to wait until after 30 days of funding your account in order to withdraw, and the reason why is just so they don't get like constant pulls. But the nice thing is that there is no fees for depositing. You can just sign in with your bank account on Marcus, which is what I did. I signed into my Wells Fargo bank account, but they offer basically every single bank in the world. You can just sign in. You could also do a check by mail where you could send them a check over the mail. You could also do a direct deposit, and you could finally do a wire transfer. I wouldn't do a wire transfer because wire transfers usually cost money, but what I will say is when you do the direct deposit that I'm talking about, where it's just like the bank ACH transfer, where you sign in directly, there is going to be no fees for the withdrawal and no fees for the deposit. So that means that you're getting basically all the benefits with none of the cons. So I want to go ahead and show you guys how much money you would make from Marcus if you went ahead and funded your own account. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my own stats, which my initial investment was $25,000 at an interest rate of 4.4%. However, keep in mind, guys, that if you sign up with my link in the description, you will get 5.4%. So just keep that in mind. And let's say I want to keep it in there for only a year. That means that I will have made $1,100 on my money for doing literally nothing by just keeping it in for 1 year. And if you guys wanted to go ahead and sign up for your own Marcus savings account and you went ahead and used the link in the description down below, you would get an extra 1%, which means you would make an extra $250 off of that interest for doing literally nothing. So keep that in mind, guys, if you have been motivated to create your own high yield savings account because you have done something like selling a house, or maybe you just have a lot of money that's just sitting in your bank account and you don't really want to tie it up in something like a CD or anything like that, I would highly recommend using Marcus because they have one of the highest available online high yield savings account rates. They offer instant withdrawals after 30 days, no fees total. There's no fees to withdraw. There's no fees to deposit. There's no fees to deposit provided you did a direct deposit with signing into your bank account online. There is fees for like wire transfers and for checks by mail, but provided that you do it that way, there is no fees at all. And you can withdraw your money up to 6 times a month, basically meaning that you can withdraw anytime you want. Plus, it's super easy to open an account and you can monitor your money anytime, either on the web or on your phone. So I would highly recommend signing up for a Marcus savings account, guys. But with that all being said, we have hit the end of this video. If you guys are interested in learning more from me, if you guys want to learn more money making methods from me, I just dropped F University. F University is literally my magnum opus. If you guys just click on the link in the description and you watch this video right here, I will literally teach you how to make an easy $200 an hour today online for completely free. You just got to watch the video and the video will teach you exactly how to do it. It is a method that not enough people are doing and that anybody could do, provided that you have an internet connection somewhere. On top of that, I'm only charging $8 right now, and anybody who signs up for that price right now will be grandfathered in at $8. But I am going to be increasing the price very soon to about $50 a month. But provided you went ahead and signed up today for $8 a month, you will have that price forever. And this course is literally designed to take a homeless man with $1 to his name to $1 million net worth. I have courses in here teaching you exactly how to go from $1 to $1,000, how to go from $1,000 to $10,000, $10,000 to $100,000, etc, as well as $100,000 in no risk credit funding, as well as a full personal brand guide so you guys can get famous online. It is literally an exact step-by-step method on how to get famous online, and as well as literally getting you from $1 to $1 million. I have methods in there that are too good not to be seen. So if you guys are interested, it's also going to be one of the first links in the description. On top of that, I'm going to have my Marcus link in the description as well. So make sure to check all that out. With that all being said, guys, that is the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to click on this video that you can see right here, right now.